Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Subject Maths, Class 4 Standard, Board Metric, Chapter 1 Metric Measures. So in Chapter 1 Metric Measures we are going to do exercise 1.3. Convert into kilometers and meters. We are going to convert into kilometers and then meters. So we are going to convert meter into kilometer and then meters. So listen, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. See listen, 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? We are going to convert backwards. So meter into kilometer. So meter into kilometer. So 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 1200 meter equal to 1200 divided by 1000 kilometer. See listen children, here how many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros. So from the back you leave 3 digits and then 1, 2, 3. So 1.200 kilometer. So we'll write this before the dot. So this is 1 kilometer and then after the dot this is 200 meter or 2 meter. Both are equal. So 1 kilometer and then 200 meter. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 1200 meter equal to 1200 by 1000 kilometer. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So here you put the decimal. So before the dot we can say it is kilometer. So after the dot it is meter. Next one same. 1 meter equal to how many kilometers children? 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 3450 meter equal to, so 3450 meter equal to 3450 divided by 1000. 3450 divided by 1000 kilometer. So in the denominator how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So you know already how to write fractions in the decimal form. So how will you write this fraction in the decimal form? So leave 3 digits from the back because in the denominator 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. So 3.40 kilometer. So this is, I told you, this is 3 kilometer and then after the dot we can say this is 450 meter. So the answer is 3450 meter equal to 3 kilometer 450 meter. Next one same. 9898 meter equal to, we are going to convert into kilometer and then meter. So 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 9898 meter equal to 9898 meter equal to 9898 by 1000 kilometer. See listen, in the denominator how many zeros? 3 zeros. So we have to leave the 3 decimal places. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer children? This is 9 kilometer then 898 meter. So answer 9898 meter equal to 9 kilometer 898 meter. Next one, convert into meters and centimeters. Convert into meters and centimeters. So we are going to convert centimeter into meter. So listen, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and then millimeter. So how will you convert centimeter into meter? Centimeter into meter, see it's coming backwards. So 1 centimeter equal to how many meters? I told you already, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. See backwards 2 times. So you can write 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 272 centimeter equal to, so we can write 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 272 centimeter equal to 272 by 100 meter. So here in the denominator you check how many zeros? 2 zeros. So you can leave 2 digit. 1, 2. So how many meters? How many centimeters? 2 meters, then 72 centimeter. So answer 272 centimeter equal to 2 meter and then 72 centimeter. Next one, same, we are going to convert centimeter into meter. 1 centimeter equal to how many meters, children? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So can you tell me 350 centimeter equal to how many meters? So 350 by 100. Then we have to find the decimal form. So 350 by 100 meter. So 100 means we have to leave the 2 digits. So 2 decimal places. So 3.50 meter. So it's nothing but 3 meter and then 50 centimeter. 3 meter and then 50 centimeter. So the answer is 350 centimeter equal to 3 meter then 50 centimeter. Next one, 595 centimeter. So we are going to convert 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 595 centimeter equal to 595 by 100 meter. So we have to leave 2 decimal places. So 595 1 2. So from the back you leave 2 decimal places 1 2. So how many meters, how many centimeter? 5 meter and then 95 centimeter. So what is the answer, children? 595 centimeter equal to 595 centimeter equal to 5 meter and then 95 centimeter. 5 meter and then 95 centimeter. Next one, convert into centimeters and millimeters. So it is in millimeter. We are going to convert this into centimeter and then millimeter. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and then millimeter. So listen, children, we are going to convert millimeter into centimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 75 millimeter equal to 75 by 10 centimeter. So listen, children, in the denominator 10, only 1 0. So we have to leave only 1 decimal places. So from the back you leave only 1 decimal places. So 7.5 centimeter. So this is how many centimeter, then how many millimeter? 75 millimeter equal to 7 centimeter and then 5 millimeter. 7 centimeter and then 5 millimeter. Next one, 229 millimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter, children? 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 229 millimeter equal to 229 millimeter equal to 229 by 10 centimeter. So how many decimal places we have to leave? Only 1 decimal places, because in the denominator 10, only 1 0. So from the back you leave only 1 digit, then put the decimal place. So tell me the centimeter and millimeter. So 22 centimeter and then 9 millimeter. So the answer is 229 millimeter equal to 22 centimeter and then 9 millimeter. Next one, 98 millimeter. Same. 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? 1 by 10 centimeter. So 98 millimeter equal to 98 by 10 centimeter. So how many 0 in the denominator, children? Only 1 0. So leave only 1 decimal place. Okay. So how many centimeter, then how many millimeter? 9 centimeter, then 8 millimeter. So tell me the answer. 98 millimeter equal to 9 centimeter, then 8 millimeter. Next one, convert into kilograms and then grams. So we are going to convert into kilograms and then grams. This is in grams. So how will you convert gram into kilogram? So you know already kilogram into gram. So now we are going to convert gram into kilogram. So kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and then milligram. So listen, gram into kilogram, gram into kilogram. So how many times? 3 times. So 1 gram equal to how many kilograms? 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. So 1298 gram equal to 1298 by 1000 kilogram. 1298 by 1000 kilogram. So how many zeros in the denominator? 1000. Okay, 3 zeros. So how many decimal places we have to leave? 3 decimal places. So 1.298 kilogram. So 1.298 kilogram is how many kilogram? How many grams, children? So this is 1 kilogram. So answer 1298 gram equal to, so this is before the dot it is 1 kilogram and then 298 grams. Next one, 3096 gram. So same, 1 gram equal to how many kilograms? 1 by 1000 kilogram. So 3096 gram equal to 3096 by 1000 kilogram. 3096 gram equal to 3096 by 1000 kilogram. So how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 3096. So leave 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So 3.096 kilogram. So how many kilograms? How many grams? So you can write 3 kilogram, then 96 gram. See, listen children, here before the dot it has no value. So you can write only 96 gram. So 3 kilogram and then 96 gram. Before the number, if you are writing 0, it has no value. So you can write 096 gram equal to 96 gram only. Okay. So the answer is 3096 gram equal to 3 kilogram and then 96 gram. Next one, 8000 gram. See, listen, 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So 8000 gram equal to 8000 by 1000. 8000 by 1000 kilogram. See, listen children, how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. Okay. So you write zeros. So 1, 2, 3 decimal places. See, listen children, after the decimal only the zeros are there. So we can take away all the zeros. So here whether gram is there? No, only kilogram, because after the decimal no numbers are not there. So only kilogram. So you can write 8 kilogram. So the answer is 8000 gram equal to, so 8000 gram equal to 8 kilograms. So remaining sums we'll do it in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.